Hey there, foodies. Today, let's talk about the amazing world of vegan mushrooms. Mushrooms are not just any ordinary fungi, they're packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor. And guess what? They're completely plant-based, making them a perfect fit for a vegan diet. These earthy delights are super versatile. You can slice them up and toss them into a stir-fry, blend them into a creamy soup, or even grill them for a savory treat. The possibilities are endless, but mushrooms aren't just delicious. They're also incredibly nutritious. They're loaded with vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones, and B vitamins, which help your body turn food into energy. What's more, mushrooms are a great source of antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage and keep your immune system strong. And if you want more tasty tips and tricks like this, don't forget to follow us for more videos. Let's mushroom your way to a healthier you.